all you gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a festive look and it's very special to me because I'm not going to do it on me, but it's my beautiful client who is all set for Dussehra today. And the look I'm going to give her is called the graphic eyeliner look. So let's begin.
The skin is prepped and primed. For her brows, I'm using black brown shade from my smoky eyeshadow palette. I love how beautifully this color blends and gives a natural look to the brows. I like to give sharp lines while creating a base, giving quick strokes in the same direction that the hair grows in, and filling in the sparse areas too. I always use a spoolie to help comb the product so it helps the brows to look more natural. I am cleaning the brows with my MAC concealer and buffing the product with a beauty blender all over the eyelid. To set her lids, I'm going with a white eyeshadow shade, blending it well so that helps the rest of the colors to blend easily. I'm using a sticky tape. It helps to get those sharp and straight lines. That's optional. Moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm using a light yellow shade from my MAC eyeshadow palette, using it primarily as a transitional shade. To smoke out the outer corners, I'm using MAC black eyeshadow. To cut her crease, I have used MAC concealer and blending it with a beauty blender. For her lid color, I'm using a yellow and a green shade by MAC and blending both the shades together with the help of my blending brush. I am creating a graphic eyeliner, moving it a bit above my crease. This look is very dramatic. It looks stunning in those ravishing festive outfits and other occasions. Let's now remove the sticky tape. For the foundation, I have mixed Dior and light beige Miss Clair foundation and blending it well with a beauty blender. I usually like to mix my foundation to get a color close to my client's skin. I usually color match her chest and her neck, and that's how I create a color close shade. I'm using the contour colors from Makeup Studio. I'm going to use it to contour the hollows of her cheekbones, her jawlines, forehead, and to contour her nose. I am using LA Girl Pro Concealer to lighten up the skin since she's naturally light. And blend the concealer and the contour well to give it a warm touch. I am using Pink and Peach blush on from Swiss Beauty palette and blending it well. To heighten her brow bones, I am using Makeup Revolution London, which is white in color and has a silverish tint to it. For her lips, I'm going in with ADS Pro Lip Pencil in the color red, and for her lipstick, I'm using the color Red Velvet from Chambor. I'm using MAC eyelashes. And MAC eyeliner to create the line. For her lashes, I'm using a wiggle pull technique with my MAC mascara. Since it's festive season, I decided to use glitter. I have used silver MAC glitter over the graphic eyeliner. For her waterline, I am using a MAC eyeliner pencil to create that bold look. To get that real ethnic look this Dussehra, for my client, I am creating few dots. Here is the complete look. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get notifications on my new video. You can also DM me on my Instagram account. Thank you for watching.